సభకు నమస్కారం. ప్రెసిడెంట్ ఆఫ్ టుడేస్ ఫంక్షన్ ప్రొఫెసర్ కిరణ్ కాంత్ చౌదరి గారు, శ్రీ ఏవిఎస్ స్వామి గారు, శ్రీ భూమన్ గారు, డాక్టర్ స్వరాజ్ లక్ష్మి గారు, ప్రొఫెసర్ చంద్రయ్య గారు, శ్రీ కోట పురుషోత్తం గారు, శ్రీ డాక్టర్ పిసి వెంకటేశ్వర్లు గారు, అట్లే ప్రొఫెసర్ దేవసేన నాయుడు గారు, ప్రొఫెసర్ గోవిందరాజులు గారు, ప్రొఫెసర్ శ్రీ వేణుగోపాల్ గారు, ఎంతోమంది తెలిసిన వాళ్ళు కూడా ఈ సభలో ఉన్నారు. అదర్ ఇన్వైటీస్ అండ్ ముఖ్యంగా ఈ గ్రంథకర్త డాక్టర్ రమేష్ బాబు గారు, ఇన్వైటీస్ అండ్ ప్రింట్ అండ్ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ మీడియా, వెరీ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ టు ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. సో డాక్టర్ రమేష్ బాబు గారు నాకు చాలా కాలంగా పరిచయం ఉంది. We have done our post graduation at SV University at the same period, that is 82-84. After that I went to Madras University to do my PhD. I think Dr. Ramesh, he has completed his PhD here itself. In 1989 I joined as faculty member in SV University. ఈ పుస్తకాన్ని ఆవిష్కరించడానికి మీరు రావాలి సార్ అంటే డెఫినెట్గా ఇట్ విల్ బి వెరీ హ్యాపీ ఫర్ మీ టు గ్రేస్ దట్ అకేషన్. సో ఐ థ్యాంక్ డాక్టర్ రమేష్ బాబు గారు ఫర్ ఇన్వైటింగ్ మీ. ఐ హ్యావ్ గాన్ త్రూ దట్ బుక్. అన్ని పేజీలు చదవలేదు, బట్ కొన్ని ఇంపార్టెంట్ పేజెస్గా చదివాను. He started right from his birth till his success in the business. There was a very tough English lecturer, and he challenged with that English lecturer that I will complete my degree in English medium only, and he has challenged that I will achieve more than 100 marks in English. So he proved it. He scored more than 100 in the intermediate examination, and in spite of his English lecturer's caution not to take English medium in degree course, he has taken the degree course in English medium, and he has successfully completed the BCom with first class, and of course after that he completed his MCom and PhD and all. So ఆ పుస్తకంలో he has expressed so many things, both happiness, sorrowful things, sad things, everything, and how he was unfortunate in not securing a position in SV University. Though he has all the merit, though he has completed PhD, postdoctoral fellowship in SV University, in spite of all academic credentials, somehow he was denied a faculty position in SV University. So he had a lot of hopes that he would get definitely a position, faculty position in SV University, and with that he missed all other opportunities. He was so confident that he will secure faculty position in SV University, but unfortunately that was not materialized. But in spite of that, he did not, step back, and he challenged that I will enter into business field and I will prove what I am. I will be as good as all other faculty, all other colleagues who have got jobs in SU University or other places. So he started his business career, and for that he worked very hard. Per day 14 to 16 hours he used to work hard in stabilizing that business. Along with him, his wife also struggled a lot. So he has taken it as a challenge. Though I was denied a faculty position, though it was my dream to become a faculty member in Sri Venkateswara University, he did not step back, and he took it as a challenge, and he proved that he can shine in any field he chooses. And I think his knowledge in the commerce and business management definitely must have fetched him in making him successful in the business career. So fortunately, he could establish himself in the business field, and he had his own house, his children are in good positions. So that's what. సో ఒక వ్యక్తి కొన్ని అవకాశాలు కోల్పోయినా ఆ సెల్ఫ్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ పోగొట్టుకోకుండా దాన్ని ఒక ఛాలెంజ్గా తీసుకొని లైఫ్లో తను అచీవ్ చేయాలనుకున్నది ఎట్లా అచీవ్ చేశాడో మనకు ఆ పుస్తకం చదివితే, ఆయన ఆత్మకథ చదివితే తెలుస్తుంది. అఫ్కోర్స్ దెర్ ఆర్ సెవరల్ పీపుల్ లైక్ రమేష్ బాబు who had very good dreams with very high academic qualifications and credentials. They were denied, they must have been denied the deserving positions. But unlike others, Dr. Ramesh Babu did not lose his hopes, did not lose his self-confidence, and he took it as a challenge in the life to become well established in the field what he has chosen. So I really congratulate Dr. Ramesh Babu for his success in his lifetime, and he has a lot of interest in the academics. He did not live alone with commerce or PhD in commerce. He has completed political science, library science, then I think MA English. Recently also he came to me with a request that I have to get my English, MA English degree till his establishment in the business career. So it is definitely an inspiring book for anyone. So if you fail in something, definitely there will be another opportunity, and you have to make use of that opportunity to shine in the life. That here Dr. Ramesh Babu has proved, and I congratulate and I also wish him all the best, and I pray God that he may be showered with all the blessings to lead a healthy, prosperous and happy life. Thank you very much.